Hello, everybody. This is Making Learning Chinese Easy. Today, we're going to learn how to order food in Chinese. Now, follow me. I will teach you how to speak Chinese in the easiest and the fastest way. So, we're going to have and make a small conversation. Here we go. 先生，您要来点什么? That means, what do you want to order, sir? Now, repeat after me. 先生，您要来点什么? 先生 sir, 您要来点什么? That means, what do you want to order? Repeat, 先生，您要来点什么? Please, I would like to have glass of orange juice and bread, please. 请给我来一杯橙汁和面包。请给我来一杯橙汁和面包。橙汁 means orange juice. 面包 bread. So once again, 请给我来一杯橙汁和面包。Anything else, sir? 您还要什么别的东西吗，先生？还要什么别的东西吗，先生？不要了，足够了，谢谢。No, that's enough, thank you. 不要了，足够了，谢谢。Now we're going to play dialogue, so listen to me carefully.
先生，你要买点什么？
请给我来一杯橙汁和面包。
还要什么别的东西吗，先生？
不要了，足够了，谢谢。Okay, everybody, this is today's lesson. And follow me. I will teach you how to speak Chinese in the easiest and fastest way. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.